So there are a couple different strategies you can do for a question like this, where you're trying to find out whether or not an ordered pair is on a point on a given graph or equation. One method I like to use is actually replacing the x and y values with the points that you're given. So for example, option number 1 here, we have a y value of 15.25 and an x value of negative 1.5. So you can see what I'm doing is rewriting the equation, but just replacing x and y with those two values. Oops, that should be negative and plus 7. And so to find out if this point lies on the graph, we have to see if this equation is true or not. And if you type into your calculator 3 times negative 1.5 squared minus negative 1.5 plus 7, you do in fact get 15.25. Therefore, that point does lie on the graph. So that's not the one we're looking for. Next, when you check the second option, we're replacing x with 0.5 and y with 7.25. You calculate that out. You see that they are in fact equal to each other, so that checks out. Next, to the third choice, we are replacing y with 10.25 and x with 1.25. And when we calculate that out, we get that it is actually equal to 10.4375. So we can see that's an error. That point, therefore, does not lie on that graph. So that is the answer we are looking for. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.